Hello, today we'll be learning a bit about chemical energy. Chemical energy is an atom of potential energy stored in matter when atoms join together to form chemical compounds. Atoms are the basic building blocks for all matters in the universe. Atoms are extremely small and we can't even see them with our eye. And they're made with even a few smaller particles, and those small particles join up to form atoms, and the atoms join up to form chemical compounds, or molecules. Chemical energy is what holds the atoms in a molecule together. A lot of people think of chemical energy in food, which is true because the food we eat contains chemical energy. When you eat a piece of candy, that chemical energy is released into your body and gives you energy. Now we know why we aren't supposed to eat candy before bed, because we have so much energy and we don't want to have energy when we go to bed because we just want to go to sleep. Chemical energy is also found in coal, wood, natural gas, and chemical batteries. The experiment we are doing today involves a chemical reaction from baking soda and vinegar. When these two combine, they form a chemical reaction and fizz up. When they are combined and trapped inside something like a plastic bag, they form pressure to make things blow up. Okay, so for this experiment, we need 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 3 tablespoons of vinegar and a plastic bag. This experiment is really easy to do at home, but I would suggest you go outside in case the bag does break and blows up so it doesn't make a big mess in your house. Okay, so I poured the baking soda into the bag, and then I'm going to pour the vinegar into the bag and seal it really fast and then set it on the ground so that it doesn't blow up my hand and you guys can watch the reaction. Okay, so here is the baking soda. I'm just going to measure 3 tablespoons of vinegar and then shut the bag really tightly. You can see it's fizzing up, and you want to close it really tight and lay it on the ground. And you guys can see that the bag is starting to inflate. That is because of the chemical reaction. You can see it fizzing up, and as it fizzes up, it creates pressure in the bag. Okay, so I want to try and see if I can get the bag to blow up, because I have seen it blow up in some videos, and some videos I have just seen it build up with pressure. So I did put more baking soda in there and more vinegar, and I'm going to try to put the vinegar in there and close the bag as fast as I can so that the pressure builds up enough to make it blow up. Okay. I have my baking soda and my cup of vinegar. Let's see if I can do this really fast this time. Whoa, it fizzed up! Okay. So that one fizzed up a lot more. So I'm guessing my vinegar to baking soda ratio was off a little. And I think it would have blown up if I would have closed it faster. But as you can see, it's still building a lot of pressure and it's still fizzing up. Probably not enough to blow up, but I'm guessing if I could get the bag closed right away, it would blow up. Okay, so I couldn't quite get my bag to blow up, but it was still cool to see the chemical reaction form between the baking soda and vinegar, and then form this pressure in the bag to make it so puffed up. And I would love to see your guys' reactions and see you guys do this chemical experiment at home. It's really easy to do as long as you guys have an adult supervisor with. And I hope you guys learned something about chemical energy today. And I hope I can see you guys try this experiment at home while social distancing. Thanks for watching.